The Audi design team used the sport of fencing as an inspiration when developing the exterior design of the Audi A6. A fencer symbolizes the vehicle's lightweight agility. The designers wanted to achieve a lightweight look, since the lightweight construction was also an objective for the A6 engineers. The front of the vehicle reminds the designers of features of an eagle's face. It has a masculine look, which defines the vehicle's character. The aim was to achieve a look of confidence and determination. The surface treatment of the A6 is state-of-the-art, with a combination of sculpted surfaces and very sharp, dominant edges characteristic of a sushi knife. The trunk lid is strongly defined and appears like the skin pulled tight over muscle, which accentuates the sporty, dynamic look of the vehicle. The craftsmanship has an open and very light appearance. The lightness is not simply evident in the body, but in the details, like the wheels, which appear masculine but light due to the broad openings. The new Audi A6 is intended to look unique, both by night and by day, which is why the designers used a very special design for the front and rear lights, which resemble the moon. The designers approached the interior abstractly, essentially viewing the interior as a single object that surrounds the driver. Use of space is important, which is evident in the design of the wraparound dashboard, which creates a skyline effect. The interior horizon creates an expanse which encompasses the occupants. The interior is in a state of flux, yet sharp edges are formed again and again. The sushi knife was again an inspiration because of its precise shape, which is reflected throughout the interior elements. The designers looked to a chronograph as a symbol of absolute technical precision, a precision that can be felt in all areas of the interior. If you close your eyes and turn the MMI control with your hand, you immediately can feel and hear from the rotary clicking sound, which reinforces that you are sitting in an Audi vehicle. Audi design is experienced not just with the eyes, but also by touch and sound. The interior of the new Audi A6 can be enjoyed using all the senses, seeing its bold shape, following its contours, and admiring its attention to detail. But you can feel the interior too. Run your fingers along its leather surfaces and feel the open-pore wood. The touchpad in the Audi A6 is first for this vehicle class, a unique feature that allows you to interact with the car like never before, simply by running your fingers across the touchpad, a motion as simple as finger touching the surface of water. The head-up display in a jet shows key information in the pilot's main field of vision. Similarly, the head-up display in the new A6 displays information reflected in the windscreen to supplement other gauges and displays in the instrument cluster. The Audi design team is extremely proud of interior design of the new Audi A6, and particularly the close collaboration of Audi designers and Audi engineers with the common goal to achieve optimal solutions for all.